lovely people, we are in the garden. It's really hot and we are thirsty. So I'm going to make you such a fresh, cool lemon drink with mint, cucumber and sugar. So I've got 2 liters of water here with the ice, and you could see it's so hot the ice is melting. So we'll get cracking. 4 lemons, 3 liters of water, few leaves of mint and some sugar and half a cucumber. You are not going to be thirsty again. As in the Bible it says, Jesus said, come to me and you will never thirst again. And that's what the Lord says, come to me. What does that mean? You know, if you drink that drink and you will never drink again. It means when you receive Jesus in your life and have new life, and you will not be the same again, because you know, when you receive Jesus, you become brand new person. You know, the past is gone. No matter how many sin you've done in your life, when you come to him and ask for forgiveness, you're literally a brand new person. And try this today. If you haven't received Jesus in your life, and tonight I challenge you, go to him and say, Lord, forgive me of all my sin, and I will obey what you say. And I tell you, literally, God will transform your life, will transform your heart. You're going to have a brand new heart, and you will never thirst again. And that's what the Bible says. Let's keep mixing. So yeah, we've got quite a lot. So we're going to share it among the water. We'll finish that. And we're going to put some leaves of mint here. Yeah, we just throw them in. So half a cucumber. I'm going to slice it very thinly. And cucumber is very refreshing as well, very cool. So it's going to cool you down in the hot weather. Yeah, so cucumber is quite fresh, refreshing, and it's just going to quench your thirst. So here we go. I've got some sugar here. It's fruit sugar, and it's quite healthy. Instead of putting white sugar, this is better. I'm going to put about 3 spoons in each and taste how it is. But I think with a lemon you want it a little bit sweet. That is so good. I taste the mint, the cucumber, so refreshing with the ice. And it's not too sweet. It's just perfect for this sunny day. Hot is refreshing, cooling. Try it at home. If you like what you saw today, hit that subscribe button and press those notifications. Until next time. Hi lovely poo-poo. Poo-poo. Hi poo-poo.
Put the knife down. Pascal, Alex, move out of the way. Film Pascal. Catch.
Actually,
got lemons. Make lemonade.
Yeah. Turn on those notifications.
Shake a drink. Outtakes for the win. That was so good.
I want to lay it right on my arm.
Yes.
What's wrong with you?
That was so good. When you
Love.